How to use Power BI Advanced Analytics properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Power BI is a powerful analytics platform, but beginners often make mistakes that undermine insights and efficiency. Most people get this wrong, but fixing it can drastically improve results. A common error is neglecting data modeling. Beginners often import data sets without defining relationships or data types, which leads to inaccurate visuals. For example, linking sales and customer tables without a proper key can result in duplicate or missing data in reports. Always establish relationships and define correct data types before building dashboards. Another mistake is overcomplicating visuals. Beginners may add too many charts, slicers, or tables, thinking more information is better. This creates clutter and confusion. Focus on the metrics that matter most, such as revenue growth, churn rate, or campaign performance, and keep your visuals simple and clear. DAX formulas are often underused or misapplied. Beginners may try to create complex calculations without understanding context, leading to incorrect measures. For instance, calculating year-over-year growth without accounting for missing months can distort trends. Invest time in learning DAX basics and test calculations thoroughly. Performance issues are common too. Large data sets can slow dashboards if not optimized. Beginners may skip using aggregations, incremental refresh, or query folding, which leads to sluggish reports. Optimizing data models and queries ensures a smooth experience for users. Finally, many overlook the power of interactivity and storytelling. Power BI allows drill-throughs, bookmarks, and dynamic filters. Beginners often create static dashboards that don't encourage exploration. Adding interactivity lets stakeholders explore insights in real time and make more informed decisions. To use Power BI Advanced Analytics properly, focus on proper data modeling, clean and focused visuals, accurate DAX calculations, optimized performance, and interactive storytelling. Avoiding these beginner mistakes ensures your analytics drive better insights and smarter decisions.